Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add shop button on Instagram. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Once you're here, you need to go to Profile on the bottom right corner. From here, go to Menu on the top right corner. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, you need to scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on Account Type and Tools. Now tap on Switch to Professional Account, then tap on Continue. After that, select what describes you best, so you can choose whichever you want from the list. After that, tap on Done. On the next page, select if you are a creator or a business, and then tap on Continue. And as you can see, our profile is now a professional account. So now what you need to do is tap on Edit Profile. From here, you need to scroll down, and here you'll get an option that says Add Action Buttons. So tap on that. Right now, I do not have the option. So after tapping on that, you will get some options to select a button. You will have options like Order Food, Book Now, Reserve, Add Lead Form, all these buttons to choose from. So just select the one you want and tap on Done. That is how you add shop button on Instagram.